Hey everybody, welcome back to the Posterpreneurs YouTube channel. And what I want to talk to you today was I want to ask you a quick question. What are the tools that you need to run a successful online business or to have your business presence be felt online successfully? What do you need? Let's see, you need an email marketing platform, you need a website builder, you're going to want a funnel creator, and maybe you're creating course content or you're selling digital courses, so you might need that as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's at least 4 completely separate services or softwares that you'd have to purchase. But there is a cheaper way to get all of those things I just talked about in one platform. That platform is the Builderall platform. It'll allow you to get thousands of dollars worth of software per month with the low price of $29 to $49. So let's go jump into Builderall and show you how it works. Okay guys, so here we are in the Builderall platform, and this is one of the best alternatives to Clickfunnels. Now, as I said in the intro, there are several items and features of Builderall that you really want to pay attention to and you really want to take note of. Okay, Builderall allows you to create websites and build them. It allows you to create sales funnels, various different kinds. It allows you to create a mailing, as well as it also allows you to create digital products in the platform that you can sell and add to your website and create funnels for those as well. First thing over here is this is the Builderall back office, and this is your main home page, your main home hub here. Here you get to see the builders in Builderall, basically the mailing boss autoresponder, which is your email marketing sequence. And also within the builders, we also have your funnels, which I'll show you in a moment. So for builders, you will see we have the ability to do the drag and drop pixel perfect here, and the drag and drop pixel perfect that allows you to create websites here, okay, and to build websites here under the pixel perfect. Okay, as you can see, my sites create a new website, and also you can also create your sales funnel. So instead of having just one platform that you utilize that just creates websites for you, you can create your home page website, and you could also create the sales funnels that go into that website. Now let me give you a quick example about the sales funnels. So we're going into the sales funnels portion of Builderall, and I'm going to give you an idea of what kind of funnels you can build in comparison to the main competitor, which is Clickfunnels. You have the ability to build all of these funnels that are pre-formatted for you. Visible sales funnel, product launch funnel. You could see here all these different funnels. One of the ones that I'm really interested in is the membership funnel. So it allows you to create a membership funnel so that you can grow your website and your business by adding members and have the members pay you on a monthly basis to access your content. Another one that is extremely important is a lead magnet funnel, and the lead magnet is basically a freebie or a piece of content that you're going to get to entice your customer to basically join your ecosystem and become part of your world, so they can actually see what you do and they can get access to the content and the value that you deliver. So that's a great one there. Also, We have a webinar building funnel where you can build a webinar within Builderall. Also, Builderall also has a webinar platform as well. But you can use this funnel to build out your webinar and bring in new customers. And as you can see, as I'm scrolling down, there's also your where was it at here? Yeah, so basically your squeeze page funnel too. So your squeeze page funnel will allow you to bring in more leads and email addresses for your email list, for email marketing. So these are all these preset, pre-made funnels here for you to start your basically building whatever funnel that you need to utilize to grow your business. You can have it here available in Builderall. Okay, so let's go over here and let's go check out another one of the basics. So I already talked about building a website. I showed you the website builder, and I also showed you the funnels here that allows you to pretty much walk you through how to create your own funnels.